Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to take a look at the oil chart here via USO so that we can get some option players in here as well. And I just like to watch the USO chart. So let's take a look at it. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage of the website, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and you can get to know us a little bit better. It's free for 7 days. It's a free trial. You can take a look at the membership and see what we have to offer, see if it's a right fit. We have a live chat room, daily watch lists, member videos, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you as a member. So let's get going with this chart here. First thing I want to cover here is we did break over this downtrend over here. There's a touch, there's a touch, here's a touch. We finally broke over it right here, came back down and retested it right here along this new uptrend. So here's a touch of this uptrend right there, right there. Here's a touch of it right there, almost a touch right here. And then right here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this action a little bit better. We broke over this little downtrend right here. So here's a touch, there's a couple touches, here's a couple touches, and right here. So if you've been watching and following along these videos, we did a video when USO was down here. We said it looks like it's going to break out, and this is exactly what is happening. So congrats if you've watched these videos and you've taken this trade, and it's going exactly how it should, and it's continuing higher. We're in this little coil right here. We were breaking, not breaking down, but we were trending down here, coiling, very tight range right here, very tight, looking like it wants to break out. Now we're heading in this direction, a nice gap up, nice volume. Today, well above the average volume. Yesterday, one of the biggest volume days of the entire year. So a lot of big money is flowing into oil right here. And you can see that this is a real rally. A lot of people were talking about OPEC, don't trust OPEC, whatever you want to say about the news that OPEC was putting out yesterday. I don't even follow the news. Follow price, okay? This is a real rally. This is millions and millions of dollars flowing into oil. So whether it's based off of something that you don't think is real, it doesn't matter because price is moving in this direction. So that's what we want to focus on, is price, because that's how you make money in the market. So I'll get off that soapbox really quick, but we broke over this downtrend line. We're over this downtrend line. Volume is coming into it. We broke out of this really tight range right here. We're over the 200-day moving average as well. So very constructive action here on USO. Looks like a bottoming pattern. If you look at this entire pattern right here, looks like a bottoming pattern, and I think we at least test that 1240 range up here. So we'll see what happens, but that's the way that I'm seeing it here based off of the chart. Thank you for stopping by. We'd love to see you next time. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage of the website, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and start your free 7-day trial today. See you next time.